Karating ko lang from nagpunta ako sa oh gosh, again. Hi guys, this is Rhaze. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a what's in my purse video. Marami sa inyo ang nag-request ng video na to. Hindi ko siya magawa-gawa kasi on a regular basis, wala naman talagang ganap yung purse ko. Yung lagi ko lang dinadala is yung maliit na sling bag ko na ipapakita ko sa inyo mamaya. And most of the time, yung laman niya lang talaga is yung card holder ko at saka coin purse ko. Yun lang. And that would take like what, 10 seconds of a video. But since ngayon nakararating ko lang for my holiday, tapos, after my Thailand holiday, nagpunta pa ako ng Mactan Island dito sa Cebu para mag-holiday ulit. Yung dinala ko sa Mactan Island is this pink purse right here. Nagpunta kami doon ng 3 araw lang. First time ko tong gamitin tong purse na to. Ito lang yung purse na big enough for that 3-day getaway, whatever. Actually, hindi akin to, kay mama to. Nakuha niya to sa SM. Yung kapag naka-reach ka ng certain amount, meron kang free bag. Ito yung free bag na na-receive niya. And okay lang naman siya, super summery. I don't see myself using this on a regular basis kasi super poppy pink naman ang bonggang-bongga. But yeah, since I went to a beach resort, I decided to use this. And again, it's big enough. So yeah, originally yung laman nito is yung mga damit ko, yung swimsuit ko. Kaya lang, iniwan ko siya kay Papa before ako umuwi kasi hindi siya magkasya talaga. So nilagay ko lang siya sa plastic tapos pinadala ko siya kay Papa. Sabi ko, dalhin mo na lang sa weekend pag uwi mo. So yung laman nito, originally is my lapi, which I cannot show you right now. Kailangan ko siyang kunin from here kasi nakakonect yung lapi ko sa camera. And perfect siya kasi kasya talaga yung lapi dito. But aside from the lapi, what I have here are these. So itong brown purse na ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na lagi kong dala on a regular kapag nag-grocery shopping kami or kapag pumunta kami sa mall. Ito lang talaga yung dala ko lagi. And what I have in here right now, first, ito yung bigay sa akin ng Mr. Bear. And yes, galing siya dyan. Yes. Tapos meron akong mouse dito na parang ninakaw ko ng bonggang-bongga galing kay Marlon. And then, I also have here EO Safflon Comfort Drops. Ito yung dinadrop ko sa aking mata. Kasi nagko-contacts ako lagi, lalo na kapag lumalabas ako. Kasi I don't wanna use my eyeglasses. Kapag lumalabas, napaka-hassle lang para sa akin. And kapag nasa mall ako, na parang super lakas ng AC, tapos galing sa mainit, namumula-mula yung mata ko. So, I decided to buy this from EO. Less than 100 lang to, guys. And then, here I have a lipstick. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. This is the Maybelline Color Show lipstick in the shade Nude Mocha. I have a lot of trash in here kasi ito yung purse na dala ko sa Thailand at saka sa Singapore. So medyo maraming ganap. I have here napkins like that. Tapos meron akong lista ng grocery dito. Lista ka ba ng grocery? Yeah. And then receipt. And then receipt. Tapos ito yung mga ticket namin sa Singapore. Nagka-layover kami sa Singapore ng 10 to 12 hours. So, nag-decide kami na lumabas sa airport and mamasyal. Nag-train kami ng bonggang-bongga. More receipt. I have a mirror right here. Hindi ko na alam kung saan ko to nabili. Siguro sa Gaisano. And I have, ano to? Parang Thailand money ata to. Yeah, parang sa Thailand to. Tapos ito, Singapore na coins. And then another receipt. Tapos, here naman sa maliit na compartment, hair tie, of course. And then this is van rental. Parang nakuha namin to na check out kami sa Crown Regency. Parang may nag-abot sa amin nung naghihintay kami ng taxi. And then I have here, yung insurance card ko nung nasa Cayman pa ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nandyan yan. And then SM Advantage card. Hindi akin yan. Pero I have that. May mga ano lang dito. May mga coins lang dito. And that's basically it for this bag right here. Yun lang yung lagi kong dala usually. Going back to this big bag, I have my fabulous purse. Ito yung napanalunan ko from Sis Bahay. Hindi na siya nag-upload ngayon ng videos. Usually, yung nilalagay ko dito is yung mga charger, cord, yung headphones ko, ganun. But right now, since kapos ako sa space nitong aking pink bag, nilagayan ko siya ng kung anik-anik. So, nilagay ko dito ang aking glasses. Ooh! Oh my gosh! Sa mga nagtatanong nga pala kung saan ko nakuha yung glasses, yung frame is from TC Sunny's PH on Instagram. Tapos, pinalitan ko siya ng lenses sa EO. Himalaya Herbals Clear Complexion Whitening Face Wash. If napanood niyo yung vlog ko, alam niyo kung bakit ko binili ito. I will leave the link of that vlog below. And then, I have here my deodorant. And then, nandito na yung charger ko. So, ito yung cord para sa aking power bank na hindi ko alam kung nasaan ang aking power bank. Oh, nilagay ko siya sa plastic ko kanina. And then, I have my lip balm. So, sa lahat na nagtatanong kung anong lip balm yung gamit ko, it is this, you guys. Tokyo Milk Dark Lip Balm. And hindi ko alam kung makikita nyo to dito sa Pilipinas kasi I actually got this from my Ipsy bag nung nasa US pa ako. Sobrang bango. Sobrang bango. And then, I have my headphones right here. And then, a pen and hand cream. So, nandyan sila. And then, another laman ng aking pink bag is my makeup bag. I actually did a what's in my travel makeup bag video. I will leave the link below if you guys are interested. So, nandito is my toothbrush. Tapos, yung contact lenses solution. Actually, binili ko sa Thailand. Kasi kinuha ng airport staff yung isa kong contact lenses solution because it was over 100 ml. Then, I have my contact lenses case. My favorite moisturizer, the Eye White Aqua, Vita, whatever. I have a comb right here. Lipstick, Color Show lipstick in Plum Perfect. I have my Garnier Brightening BB Eye Roll-On. Meron din akong nail polish na dala. Ito yung OMG Gems Collection Nail Polish in the shade Beryl. And then Sassy Colors Nail Polish in the shade Pussy Red. And this is my Bobby Quick Dry para mag-dry ng bonggang-bongga ang aking nails. I have my BYS Contour Trio, BYS Brow Definition Kit, my Intuit Eyebrow, no, not eyebrow, Intuit powder. I have a razor right here. I have my H Rewind from Maybelline for my under eyes. I have my Travelo. Meron din nagtanong kung saan ko to nakuha. Hindi ko na matandaan, guys. Basta isa sa mga airports sa US. Nabili ko to for $10. And then I have my Everbalena liquid lipstick in the shade Pink Pearl. And then brushes, I only brought 2. I have my MAC 212 SE brush for my eyebrows. And then the MAC 187 SE brush for my blush. Eye White 2-Minute Whitening Miracle. And then my BYS matte lipstick in the shade Salsa. Yes, salsa. And then, meron pang natira. More napkins, a hair tie, and then, nandito pala ang aking card holder. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ito nandito. It's supposed to be in my brown bag, but it's right here. But that's basically it for this video, you guys. Yun yung laman ng purse ko. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. As usual, I'm doing my best to upload videos every single day for you guys. And do not forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching. Subscribe if you're not yet already. I hope to see you in my next video. Do not forget, be good. Bye!